Hello everyone. Today we're solving this equation. 20 divided by 4 plus 3 times 2 squared. Most people get 32, but the correct answer is 17. Let me show you exactly where the mistake happens, and then the right way to solve it. Here's how most people solve this incorrectly. They work from left to right just like reading a sentence. They see 2 squared, so they calculate 2 squared equals 4. Then they work left to right. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Continuing left to right, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Finally, 8 times 4 equals 32. So they get 32. But this is wrong because they treated addition the same as multiplication and division. Here's the right way to solve it. We will use the order of operations rule, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This tells us the order in which we must solve the equations. Parentheses first, exponents second, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Step 1. Exponents first. 2 squared equals 4. Now we have 20 divided by 4 plus 3 times 4. Step 2. Multiplication and division left to right. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Then 3 times 4 equals 12. Now we have 5 plus 12. Step 3. Addition last. 5 plus 12 equals 17. The correct answer is 17, not 32. The key lesson. After handling exponents, treat multiplication and division equally, working left to right. Don't continue the left to right pattern through addition. If this helped you understand order of operations, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.